To get enhanced token info, start by going to the official DexScreener marketplace and select the Enhanced Token Info option. From there, you'll fill out a simple form with your token's contract address, a clear project description, your website, and social media links like X or Telegram. You'll also upload your token logo and a header image so your project looks professional and recognizable on the platform. After submitting the details, you'll complete the payment using crypto or a credit or debit card. Most orders are processed pretty fast, usually within minutes or a few hours, and once approved, your enhanced profile goes live automatically. With Enhanced Token Info, your project gets a dedicated section that displays your logo, description, website, and social links directly on DexScreener. This adds credibility by showing transparency and helping potential holders feel more confident. It also improves community growth by making it easier for users to find and join your socials. On top of that, it helps ensure a more accurate market cap by confirming lock supply information. If this helped you understand how Enhanced Token Info works, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more crypto growth tutorials, and comment below if you want a step-by-step walkthrough or best practices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.